Hello guys, my name is Waikain and this is my friend.
Hi guys, my name is Syed Mikael bin Syed Khalilal.
Hi guys, my name is Ni Muhammad Dinaiman bin Zaidi and this is my friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Fahmi.
Yeah.
Okay, so for today's video, we're gonna show you a tutorial on how to use an analog multimeter. So the objective in this video, by the end of it, you guys will learn on how to use an analog multimeter in the right way. Okay, so before we use this analog multimeter, we must calibrate it first. Make sure it hit the zero number. Okay. So dia letak kena dengan zoom kat masa. Okay.
We will going to measure resistance R1. Pick a range of your choice. For example, 100 range. Place the resistor on top of the resistor. Watch the multimeter carefully. Write it on a paper. And we get resistance 1.1K.
Okay, now for the R2, let's choose the same range, which is 100. And as usual, put it carefully on top of the resistor and check the multimeter carefully and write it on the paper.
Measure current range 25. Put the wire on resistor. Read the scale accurately. Write reading on paper. Range 20, current 4.
Next, we want measure voltage V1 and we choose range 10 and we setting it to 10 volt. Then we put the wire on resistor. We read the scale accurately. And last we write the reading on paper. And we got for voltage for V1 range 10.
Okay, now for the V2, let's choose a range 10. And we're setting it to 10 range. And as usual, put it on the resistor and watch the multimeter carefully. And we write on the paper.